Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa and this is Hobby Beauty. Today we're going to be going over some Ulta exclusives. I talked to you guys in an earlier video about this palette, the Night Owl palette. I did a demo trying it on my eyes today. This is what she looks like on the inside, and I will insert swatches here. I also picked up the Light Stick and Blush Stick duo, the I'll Always Love You, that goes with the Night Owl palette, and the Flight of Fancy lip duo that has an ultra blotted lip and an ultra glossy lip. So, if you want to see these products, as you can see this is the finished look, but if you want to see me try on these products, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, let's get into it. Today we're going to be playing with the Night Owl palette here. That's what she looks like. I've been using it a little bit over the past weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. I just got a few new items from the collection. So the Night Owl palette is the first one. The second one is the Cheek palettes. It's got the Light Stick and Blush Stick, Dash Zero Blush Stick, and Uoeno, I think I'm saying that right, Light Stick. So that's that. And then we have, and it's I'll Always Love You, makes me think of Whitney Houston. And then Flight of Fancy is the lip duo. It's got Scenic Root Ultra Blotted Lip and Crazy Little Wing Ultra Glossy Lip. So let's start with the palette. Go in with my Morphe M433 brush into Lil Birdie here. My dogs hear a noise in case you hear them. And that's a cream colored. It's very similar to my skin color. And we're putting that on the upper lid. Next we're going to go into Bel Air here. And that, I believe, is a single shadow shade. I'm going to need another, this doesn't have a mirror, it's a cardboard packaging. So I'm going to use my Smoke Show mirror. And we're just going to put that in the crease. And this is the M504 brush. I love these wearable, like, mustardy tones that this palette has. And then we're going back into Bel Air. Next up, I'm going to go in with my M330 brush. And we're going to go into the shade Rockin' Robin. We're going to take that a little bit under. Oh, hello. Hello, pigment. I went a little bit too high on that eye. So we still want to see that other color. I'm going to go back into Bel Air here. Bel Air. And back into Rockin' Robin. Back to the M504 brush. Next up, we're going to go on the lid, and we're going to take the shade Millie at the bottom here on the lid. On my, this is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration JH41 brush. And we're getting some fallout, and I already did my face makeup, which is great. This is why I do eyes first normally. I think I'm going to go into Bel Air, the middle shade. Bel Air, the middle shade here. And just take that on the under eye with the JH43 brush. It's a Morphe brush. I'm not sure exactly what number it is. It doesn't have a number on it. Just to buff it out a little bit. We're going to open up the I'll Always Love You Blush Stick and Light Stick Duo. These are what they look like. They have the names of the shades on the front here. And we're going to start with the blush stick in -0. What I like to do is I like to have my blush brush. I got a mirror. I just like to lightly put that on where I want it. Oh yeah, those colors look really good together. And just kind of deposit the product. I'm not as big of a fan of the light sticks, but I will put it on since I have it here. That's Uoeno. And I'm sure that this is going to be really okay. Put it a little bit above where my blush is. Just smooth it out. So that is Uoeno and -0. Next up we have the lippies. That is the Flight of Fancy Lipstick Duo. It comes with one ultra blotted lip, and this is in Scenic Root. And this is Crazy Little Wing Gloss. So let's try them on. So this is the Scenic Root lip. And then we're going to put the gloss right on top. Oh yeah, this looks really good. And this is Crazy Little Wing Gloss. On top of the Scenic Root lip. So yeah, those are all the products. The Night Owl palette, the I'll Always Love You light and blush stick, or blush stick and light stick duo, and the Flight of Fancy ultra blotted lip, ultra glossy lip duo. So, let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!